Alright, been a little minute. I know. I've been still working out consistently, but I haven't been doing leg stuff too heavy because I had a calf sprain, and after Tyrese Halliburton, KD, Jason Tatum, a calf sprain to me means sit your ass down. So today, I feel like I'm fully healed from it. So I'm doing keeping my little routine I got. Just 3 quick ones. Might do some curls or push-ups, whatever, if I feel it. Bulgarian split squats, kind of my favorite now. Calf raises and tip raises. Yeah, excuse me. It's been a minute since I uploaded, at least. I ain't got no music. Cause shit be getting copyrighted. And I feel like it's fucking up the visibility, whatnot. So I ain't gonna do shit. But I ain't really had much shit going on to talk about either. Cause mainly what I do, or what's kind of been going on, or I see stuff all the time. But I try not to really indulge in it. Cause a lot of times it's really messy as hell. Like, I will see stuff on like Twitter or something. I see it, read the comments, and I'm okay. I'm scroll off of it because I don't really get too invested into it. I don't read every single comment. I don't watch the whole video. I just like the one situation that just happened with Sha'Carri Richardson and her basically fighting her boyfriend at the airport. And then she came out with some kind of apology, and I ain't watched the whole thing. I saw like 15 seconds of it, but I like, okay, it's just some bullshit. And the way people talking about it, reacting to it, it's just like, man, that shit all messed. Oh shit, that shit is all messed. Oh shit, it's been a minute. We'll do 3 or 10 since it's been a minute. But yeah, and about that situation, I think dude did. That's probably best case scenario for him, low key. She pushing on him, pushing him around, screaming in the face and shit. He ain't rapping. He just walking along. Cause the minute he did something, the minute he, hey, watch out, or did anything, it's instantly a rap, and it's instantly his fault. So, best case scenario for him, and it's as fucked up as it is. That's what you got to do. That's what it is. Regardless how you feel, that's just what it is. And the police showed up. They arrested her, and she went off like, "Why y'all arresting me? He's the man." And like that right there should be a wake-up call to him of like what kind of person she is. And really, not just him, but anybody who want to be with her in the future. Cause don't think for 1 second that kind of shit ain't you. What ain't gonna happen to you? That's what a lot of people fucked up. They think, oh, it don't happen to him cause he's soft or he whatever. Like, nah, that can happen to you. It will happen to you. Not saying people can't change. People can redeem themselves, but it's work that gotta be done to do that. Don't think if they don't express it, they learned their lesson. Don't think that they just did. They go for friends, anybody, girlfriends, anybody. What they do to somebody else, they will do to you. They was this similar situation to do it to you. Because in their mind, that's something that's cool. No matter what it is. Whether your girl hitting on you, the dude hitting on you, somebody running off on some money, anything. If they do it to somebody else, they do it to you. The situation called for it. Because it's cool to them. It's justifiable. That's the shit that they came to do. That's the conclusion they came towards. What else? This Drake, UMG lawsuit shit. Only people I watch who talk about that, who I got the patience to watch is Rob Markman, the Company Man, and Wayno. Other than that, I can't listen to people because when I listen to them, it's more so not biased shit. It's more so information first, rather than how you feel. They say how they feel too, but it's more so information and facts first. But even with that, the lawsuit started off, at least the narrative around it was, Drake is suing UMG for defamation and payola and all that, and how it'd be better for all artists going forward. But now the true colors about it is coming out. And really was all about Kendrick Lamar. Because what the hell does the question of paternity test got to do with UMG, artists and payola and all that? What does Kendrick's contract have to do with any of that? That has nothing to do with what business Drake got going on. That's why I see some shit, see the comments, see the narrative what it is around it. I keep pushing. I don't think too much about none of that shit. Because you can get sucked in easily. I don't know what team it is, I ain't care. But it's like, it's certain shit, like, them niggas been around forever. So I don't know what it is. It's new outrage every day. Some shit going on in DC. This damn president, bro. This shit's crazy. That's why people gotta get their shit together, regardless of who president. Cause niggas is not for you. It's not for him. Much time I got. I'll keep it short, like 10 minutes. I'm just gonna start doing that. 10-minute videos, put them out, spam them out. Cause I ain't got shit to talk about. Other than just staying focused. Stay focused on what you got going on. And take care of yourself. Really. Be kind to yourself. I feel like something in my damn door. Be kind to yourself. Cause I know niggas is bed rotting, scrolling, doom scrolling. And I know depression. Doom scrolling. these calf raises and these tip raises. I ain't gonna show that. That ain't no long ass video. My shit been recording. But one thing I say to help with that, if you been bad rotting, doom scrolling, is the simplest thing. One thing, just wash your face. At least do that. Get your little routine where you exfoliate, get your good moisturizer, cleanse, all that. I swear it sound crazy, but that's one thing that you can do that improves you. I'm breathing a little too hard. Okay. Cause you wanna look, when you walk past the mirror, you wanna see yourself looking decent. At the very least. At the very least, do that. Cause I know it be niggas in their bed for days on end. You ain't got shit to do. You ain't got a job. You ain't, living home with your folks, or whatever it is. At least do that, and you'll feel different instantly. I promise you. I'm gonna link my TikTok. I got a TikTok now. I'm gonna link my TikTok. Probably my Instagram too. I don't know about that. That feels still kind of personal, so I might keep that separate or make a whole new one. I don't know yet, but I'm putting my TikToks on here as a short, and it's up from there. I'm gonna just keep adding more stuff slowly. I know what I can chew, I know what I can handle, so got more coming.